Welcome, welcome, welcome to Streams of Wealth. How to trade like a bank. In this video I will show you my results this week with trading like a bank, or at least how the banks are trading from my point of view. If you want to fully understand what I am doing, then make sure to watch this video. And now let's take a look on my pairs and what happened this week and what I'm looking for to take at Friday. We will see if it broke or break what I want it to break. I will show you that pair I'm talking about, but now let's take a look what happened this week and how this trading like a bank, what are the results. So EURCHF, as you can see, this gray color, it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So as you can see, at Monday the price went up, we break this, and this was a good trade, but I did not take this. Now we are probably moving up to this position, because if I go on weekly, you can see that we have one touch, second touch. So that means what? We have liquidity here, we have stop losses here. So the price will most likely bounce from this, maybe break it, I don't know, but now it's too late. I did not take anything. This, when I saw this break, then this does not mean anything to me. It may come back to these lows to take these stop losses, but it did not. It is moving up, so EURCHF will probably move up to this position. So let's take a look on another pair, GBPUSD, and as you can see, the pair was moving sideways, at least on 4H time frame. If you watch 4H and daily, I mostly watch daily and 4H for this. And what it is doing now, it is again, it is bouncing on this area. So what did we have here? We have some stop losses here, but not it was not anything big. So now at this point I'm not sure in this what we want to do. I did not trade this week this pair, but as you can see, we have a lot of stop losses below this here. We have this trend line, so another stop, again a lot of stop losses. People have a lot of stop losses here, so we have a lot of reasons to go down. So maybe bounce from this, create more liquidity, more stop losses above it, and then move down. But again, not clear for me, so I did not take anything. Euro AUD, I think that no, I did not take it. Again, Monday started, it went down at Monday, very strong move to the downside, then it went up again. Now we're forming some sort of liquidity, some sort of stop losses here, but again it is not clear, so no trade for me at this point. I think the price, since it's Friday, may possibly bounce again and move to the downside, and next week possibly break it, but again it's not clean, so I do not trade this. I did not trade this. GBPJPY, the Monday started, and yes, if I see it now, this was a good buy option. I did not buy it, but now when I look back at it, what can you see? We have here we have stop losses, and as you can see, we take them, and now we are moving back. So this was good trade, but again I did not take it because I would need to have some more reasons. This was a good reasons. If you watch that video, as I told you, if you see this break, and then bounce for a few hours and then move strongly to the other side, then it will most likely reverse because we now took these stop losses, and we also show some strong move, as you can see, to the downside. Then we reject and move back, so this was actually good, but again, I did not take it. I took only 3 trades this week using this, let's say, method, but this was not the pairs. AUDJPY, this was a trade I took, and this was my loss. So, and I will tell you why I take it. I took it because, as you can see, Monday started, and what do we have here? We have a lot of stop losses below this area. So I saw very nice picture, and I thought this will go down. However, I should have waited. I know for what I should have waited, but I did not wait. I took it because I see this. I see we were bouncing from this 1 touch, second, third touch, fourth touch. Now we see we break it. We make this wick and we see this strong sell, as you can see. Again, we bounce from this. So I was thinking at this, we see Monday it went up. So and again at Monday you can see we reject it again. So I was seeing this, and I was thinking that at this point it will go down because we already took these stop losses, we already took money here, so why would we continue up? So I took the sell around this position. Stops were above it. I would target this, but as you can see, my stop loss was hit. What could I do, or what should I do? And I did that with my next trade that was successful, that I will show you, is I should wait for the price to break this. So if I waited, and I was thinking about waiting for it because it would be confirmation. If this candle would break this, then that would be a nice confirmation that the price will continue down. However, I was telling myself, well, I will have a small stop loss, and the picture, what I saw, it was very clear, so I took it because I could have some small stop loss. Because if I take it here, then my stop loss would be this big, so it would be 1-to-1, and I do not have a problem with 1-to-1. I'm fine with that, but I took it because I thought this will go up, but people tricked me. People tricked the bank. They buy it. They have a lot of money and they buy it. But as you can see, we have next stop is here, but we have just 1 touch. So at this point, we also see this strong sell from this position. As you can see, we sell very strong sell. So at this point, the price may go down, and it may go down to collect these monies under this support area where the price is reacting. So this is a good way. So if I now see, I'm still looking for sell at this pair, but now it's Friday, so at Friday there will be some small move. I will not, because I do not hold my positions from Friday till Monday, so I will not trade this pair. Next week I will be looking for sell. If I see break this, then I will look for a sell. USDCHF, Monday started, we were bouncing from this, but it's clear that we have a lot of order stop losses above it. But again, I did not take it. I was expecting it actually to bounce from this, and yesterday I was waiting for breaks of these, and then I would buy it, and it breaks. But if you go on 1 hour, this was a really big candle, really strong candle, and I did not take it, because when you see this big candle, the price will then pull back or something. So if this move up would be some where is it here, if this move would be something like this, you know, slow move to the upside, and I see break, then I would probably take it. But this strong candle to the upside, I did not take it just because we break it, because I was expecting some pullback, and as you can see, it went down. So nothing again for this pair, USD CAD. There is nothing clear for me, no clear some areas where the price is reacting, so nothing. USDJPY again, Monday started, nothing that was clear for me, so I did not take it. Now we can see that we are forming, we are rejecting on this area, but again, nothing clean for me, so I don't care. Euro, GBP. Now we can see that it may form some nice M, as you can see, M on higher time frames. We may be forming a nice M. However, what I don't like is this area, and is this area where the price is reacting, because now I guess a lot of people have their stop losses above it. So what may now happen is something like this. For example, the price will go up to take everyone's stop losses, and then I would like to see this. So if I see now the price will break this, take all of these stop losses, and then I see it reverse, made a lower low, and then at this point I would be thinking about selling this pair. So something like this, but again, now I would not hit a sell. It is looking like a nice M, however there are a lot of stop losses above it, so I definitely will not take this. AUDUSD, AUDUSD, this is definitely looking that the price needs to go up. We have 1, 2, 3 touches. We have 1, 2 touches here. So this pair will definitely need to go up at some point. So I don't know now where the price, do we have a reasons to go down? Well, we don't have that much reasons. We may actually go up, because I don't see much reasons to go down before we move up. So at this point I'm still waiting. Not sure about this pair, so I did not trade it, but as you can see we have a lot of stop losses above these positions, so I'm definitely looking for buy. Gold, as you can see, Monday started, it went sideways, then it moved down, up. Now we take these stop losses, so we take these stop losses, so we may go up, however we may as well go down. As you can see, this trend line, so it deserves to be broken and to take these, so not sure. Bitcoin, I do not trade it, I just watch it. Euro USD, as you can see, strong trend to the upside. We also break this, so I'm still waiting for this price, or for this pair, to break it and move to the downside. I was expecting that this pair will go down this week, but as you can see it is still moving up, so at this point I'm not sure. NAS 100 I did not trade, so nothing. And let's go to these pairs. So AUD CAD, nice move to the downside. Now we are at this area, so we could now reject this. When you see second touch, then it's good buy or good sell, because it's not that clear. When you see that third touch, then that is too clear, everyone's seeing that, so you should be careful at that third touch, but second touch is good. So at this point, I don't know, however this may come back, but again I'm not sure about that, so I did not trade it. AUDCHF, we have this liquidity, we also have this. Yes, so actually AUDCHF now it's good for buy, because as you can see here, there is a strong buy. When you see this strong buy, it's like most of you probably know this as a order block. So when you see this strong buy, then the price will probably go down and reverse from this point, from this last sell. As you can see, it is good, it is looking good for buy, because we make this liquidity, we make these stop losses, now we take them, so this is looking good for buy. But again, it's Friday now, so I will not take it at Friday, because it may also go down to induce everyone to sell, and then at Monday we may see again some move to the downside to confirm that yes, we break it, we're moving to the downside, and then you will see strong reversal to the upside. So I will not take it now, because it's Friday. If this was happening at Monday, then I would be looking for buy, but now since it's Friday, I'm not taking it. But yes, this pair is looking good for buy. AUDNZD, we break this, so that was one touch, second touch, third touch, and now what do we have here? We also break this and we make this wick, so this is looking good, because we take these stop losses, and we also have a lot of stop losses above it. So now what I want to see from this pair, minimum to break this structure, but what I would like to see from this pair is this move, pullback, and at this point I would most likely buy this. So this is what I want to see from this pair. Stops would be below, targets first would be 1-1, then here, exit, and so forth. So this is looking good. So if I see this, then I will be looking for buy. CAT CHF, again it is now bouncing, so CAT JPY, well, this is very strong move to the upside without any pullbacks, so I did not take it. I was not thinking about taking this, because there were no pullback, there could be some big pullback. At this point I will definitely not take it, but since it's Friday, it still may continue up, because it's Friday, so why would we go down? But I don't know at this pair, so nothing. EURCHF, we could see Monday started, it went down, now we bounce off this, so we have one touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, so this was definitely looking good for sell. I took some small trades for this for sell, but it was really small, so just a small sell for this pair, nothing big. Now we bounce from this, and again we may come back to this area, then reject and move to the upside, but again I don't know. So if it's not clear, I'm not trading. EURCHF, nothing. And now let's see the pair I traded. And what can you see? What can you see? First of all, we have a nice M. So this is a nice M, as you can see on higher time frames, very nice. But I was looking at this pair when the Monday started. I already know what I want to do, and I already know it now. So what do you see? It's too clear. Don't tell me this is too clear. Look, one touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So Monday started, we went down. We bounced from this, as you can see. This was strong buy, and we have this again. You may call this an order block. We see that this was a last sell, and what happened? It went down exactly to this position and it went up. But at this I was looking only for sells, and that the reason was that at Monday, as you can see, we again break it, but we bounce it, but then we move down. So I was waiting, and at Wednesday I saw this strong move to the downside. Then I see the second candle, but I was waiting for a confirmation, so I was waiting for it to break these, for break this structure, and when it breaks I take it. Stops were above it, and I was targeting just this. I was thinking that we will go down a bit more, but what, as you can see, it created more liquidity, so I close it with about 1-to-1, or not even 1-to-1, but I'm fine with that because I was expecting it to happen. I thought this may do some pullback, and it made. So so now at Friday I think we can go down, but well, we definitely need to go down, because how many of traders have their stop losses here? It is just too clean, too clear, and we have a lot of stop losses here, so this pair definitely needs to move down. So this was a trade I took, a profitable trade, NZD/JPY, and again, what do we have? So this is looking very good. So again, what I would like to see from this pair: break it, take all of these stop losses, and then this, and boom, and at this point I would sell it. Stops above, targets would be again here, then here. So no trades for me from this, but we have one touch, second touch, third touch. This is looking good for sell, so we will see. NZD cat, I did not trade it, nothing for me here. GBPNZD, I did not, but GBPAUD was a pair that I traded, and again trade like a bank. What do we have? We have one touch, second touch, and now we have this. The same scenario over and over again. What is this? What is this? Do you think this is coincidence? Or maybe it's not coincidence. Maybe we break it, we for one day bounce under this resistance, so everyone think, well, this is a good time to sell. Now we see this strong push, we break all of this, and everyone was selling it, but what happened? The price reversed to the other side, create more liquidity here. So again, at this point I was buying it, because this was again, you may call it order block, so the last sell before a buy. So I take it at stops were below this. I take it, yes, exactly at this position. I would not take it just because I see this is some strong sell or strong buy. I took it because I saw this before what happened, so this was a good signal for me to buy, and I buy it. I close it. First I close it the first day. It was like Monday. I think I closed it because the Monday it was changed Monday to Tuesday, and when the day is changing, the spreads are opening. So I took some small profits. Then at Tuesday I was waiting for it to break these highs, and I take it again. Stops were below, and close it with about 1-to-1. And now this is the pair I'm looking for, and I want to take it at Friday, so that is today. So I will see at London session what will happen, but I was waiting today. I did not take any trade. I wanted to take this. I was waiting for this pair to break this last week. It did break, but again it break with this strong candle. So I did not take it because this was just too clean that we will make some sort of pullback. So I will wait probably 8 hours to London session at Friday, and then I will take it as a buy. All I'm now waiting for is for it to make some pullback and then continue up. So I will see what will happen at London session, and if I see some good setup, I will take this as a buy, and this is what I'm waiting for. So it would be just 1-to-1. Stops will be below this. Targets will be this area. So this is the pair I am looking for. So this week, trading like a bank, I had 2 or 3 3 profitable trades. One was lost, and that loss was because I did not wait for that confirmation. But yes, it was looking good for sell that AUDJPY. So trading like a bank, watch that video and you will understand it more, what I'm doing, what I'm looking for, and how I'm trading this. So this was trade like a bank. Yes, I have some scalping this week, but I will not go over it because that's on 1 minute. I have a lot of videos on this channel, Streams of Wealth, about scalping methods. You can watch them. So if you like this video, or if you want me to do some videos for next week, what I'm looking for, but I already said it in this video, since I'm looking on 4-hour candles, then nothing much will change in 1 day. So this is what I'm looking also for next week, and I'm trading this on 4 hours. So that's it for this video. I wish you all the best and goodbye.